Hey guys, Nate here again. I'm gonna run you through unboxing your brand new evoARC encoding system. Once again, it comes in our world famous Pelican case. Once you receive it, you're gonna receive a few things here. You're gonna receive a ARC that proves great things come in small packages. You're gonna receive a splitter cable that connects from the splitter to the pulsar unit of your choosing, as well as the encoding cable that will go through the splitter to the ARC and whatever encoding system you're using. If you have to do 2-axis, you'll obviously plug into the other port on the splitter. Underneath the top layer, you will find your splitter, and all ARCs come with the FlexoForm mounting system, as that is what it was originally designed for, and any other mount that you have asked evoSonic to try and make, so you can retrofit to your scanner fleet. You will also find a package of screws that will help you mount that to whatever system you have discussed with our team to help get this ARC on board. We're gonna now mount this onto the FlexoForm with the traditional mount that comes with every ARC. Should you have another system, you can talk to our mech team and they will make sure we design a mount that helps you add this technology to your fleet and get you going on contactless encoding. So what you'll need is to grab your FlexoForm from your kit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna separate this, take the wedge out as if I was gonna change the wedge. And you'll find under there we need to take this cover off. So there are 2 screws here and under this water tubing that we are going to pull out, and the cover should come right off. And this mount falls right into place. Putting those 2 screws back in. Our team is giving you extra just in case you lose some. So do not stress if you don't have any. From that, we're going to use our Allen key, get the screws out. I like to take the water tube and actually pull it out a little bit so I can get my screwdriver. Great access to that Allen key. We'll remove that, make sure it's free. And then from there, they should fall right out. 1 and 2. And then we'll try to pop that top piece off. I like to push the driver through. This top piece comes off. Make sure you put that in the case or somewhere safe. However, you're never gonna need it again because this is all you're gonna want on your system. All right, so we've made it to match suit here. This longer oblique set goes right where it would, just like your cover does. Lines right up, little guideline there. And then all you do is put those 2 screws you've just taken out back where they go. Got that one in, and we are now securing the 2nd screw. Don't over tighten, we don't want to strip anything out. It's on nice and snug. And all you need to do is your ARC has grooves that go in the guide. So once you release the locking mechanism, you might have to unscrew it to give it a little bit of room to play. There. And then I like to turn it to the side and secure it once I find a good spot with tension. And keep in mind, guys, that wherever the center light is where you're gonna have to offset your probe for your scanning. That is top dead center. So for our first elements over here, we must ensure that we have the correct probe offset to ensure that our data is lining up. From that, that's the FlexoForm. Like I said, we might have additional mounts for you, depending on what your fleet is. I've got the AUT revolver system right here, just to show you how quick and easy it is. We have multiple mounts for shear wave wedges, depending on how you want to deploy this contactless encoding technology. But it's just as simple. Very simple, 2 screws in correct Allen key. Secure the mount. And given that I would have 2 or 1 probes sitting this way, trying to go over my weld, quick release, move, I would try to ensure that I've lined the center of my evo light up with the center of the probe, to ensure that that is top dead center and I'm able to accurately encode. That quick, that easy. If you have multiple systems, one encoder, slides off, plugs on, go.